Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted here for quite some time. I was busy with a few other things, but I wanted to come back with the short video. In this video, I want to talk about why selling digital files on Etsy is still a good business in 2025 and why I believe it will continue moving into 2026, even with all the talk around AI. This is not hype, this is just based on what I am personally doing and seeing. On this channel, I mainly teach how to create laser cut files, especially 3D laser cut designs using simple 2D software like Adobe Illustrator. I don't use complex 3D software, everything is built using clean 2D design thing. I have shared tutorials on things like 3D notebook covers, minimalist key holders, mystical key holders, minimalist wall art, and other laser cut products, all made in a way that beginners can understand. For example, I have created multiple 3D notebook cover designs, including mystical, fantasy styles, and medical style covers. Here you can see a few variations of the designs. I have shared minimalist key holder design and how you can design them step by step using Adobe Illustrator, of course. There are a few variations of these minimalist key holders. Fantasy key holders, wall arts, and a lot of 2D files like bookmarks and coasters. So the channel is not about one product, it's about learning the process. Now let me share something important. I started my Etsy shop in February 2025. I didn't run any ads, I did not have a marketing budget. If I show you my dashboard here, you can see I have over 334 sales. I know this is not like thousands of sales, but I am pricing them well. I have around 4.9 rating and I have been a star seller for past 6 months. I'm not sharing this to show off. I'm sharing this to show you that this still works. And now the big question. With AI everywhere, why does this still work? Well, the simple answer is AI is not there yet for this particular niche. When it comes to design laser cut files, especially 3D designs, you have to think about material type, you have to think about material thickness, layer spacing, assembly logic, and how the product will actually be cut and assembled. Right now, AI cannot reliably do this without human correction. People buying laser cut files want files that work, not just files that look good on screen. That's where human design still matters. If you want to sell digital products on Etsy going forward, especially laser cut files, there are a few things you must understand. First, price your files properly. Not too cheap, not unrealistic. Second, make high quality files. Clean layers, clean naming, proper measurement. Third, always over deliver. Extra formats, clear instructions, or bonus creations help a lot. Fourth, focus on product quality, not quantity. One good product can sell for years. Fifth, always cut your 3D designs, show real photos of the finished product. This builds trust instantly. And sixth, respond to customer questions. Even simple replies matter a lot on Etsy. These simple things make a big difference. So yes, even in 2025 and moving into 2026, selling digital files on Etsy is still very much alive, especially if you focus on real skills, real product quality, and understanding what buyers actually need. AI can help, but it does not replace this process yet. If you're new here, this channel is all about learning how to design laser cut files step by step using simple tools. Feel free to check out the other videos on the channel. And if you find them useful, you can subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.